Good morning, champs! We solved the differential equation y prime equals y squared plus 1. First, we recognize the type. We see a y squared term, so this is a Riccati equation. Now we check if it is separable. We rewrite it as dy over dx equals y squared plus 1. Now we move everything. We get dy over y squared plus 1 equals dx. So it is separable. Now we integrate both sides. The integral of 1 over y squared plus 1 is arctangent of y. The integral of dx is x. So we get arctan of y equals x plus c. Now solve for y. We apply the tangent function to both sides. So we get y equals tan of x plus c. And that is the solution. Key idea: always check if a Riccati equation is separable before using more advanced methods. I recommend you to check my playlist on multivariate calculus.